Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back yet again with another new video. Now I am so excited to share with you dolls what it is that I picked out because today I partner with Hot Mommy Styles and you already know I absolutely love that store and I will always bring you dolls the heat. In fact, today I have a lot of picks for the upcoming season change. So if you want to see what it is that I picked out, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so let's just jump right into this haul. I have amazing energy right now because I am super excited, but anyways, I love this two-piece set. Now let's just start with the obvious. The bottoms are a little too small, so with that being said, I will put my measurements down below so you can kind of tell what my hip measurements are, and these are supposed to be high waist pants, but I love this set because I think it is super high fashion. I love that you can just buy the whole outfit and when you put it on, you automatically feel like you've stepped off the pages of a high fashion magazine or stepped off the runway. So I love mixed prints, I love leopard print. This material, y'all, I cannot stress the importance of the quality that I have experienced with Hot Mommy Styles over and over and over again. So this particular top, it's all knit and so is the bottom. I'm gonna get close so you can see, but it is a knit. It even has this zipper, which is gold, which is cute as far as the hardware. I love the fact that it has this little clasp up here, and I'm gonna get closer. As you can see, this actually has this kind of plastic tubing so that it does stay put on you. So the pants are very similar. The band is elastic. I love the fact, again, that it's woven, it's thick, it's very warm, it's comfortable, it's stretchy, it's skinny leg on my ankles. If you've been watching my hauls, you know that has been a struggle for me because I do have smaller ankles. So yeah, thumbs up. Absolutely love this set. Don't want to take it off, but I'm going to go ahead and show you dolls what's next. Dolls, so this particular top is much like the last one where it's all knit. So I'm going to get really close so you can see it. Now this is a really pretty color. Hopefully it's picking up on camera. It is a lime or like chartreuse color with tan. So I really like that. That's what stuck out to me when I picked it up. This one has silver hardware and again, really heavy, really comfortable and warm, but not too thick. So it feels like almost a sweater, but like a thin sweater. Now this is the skirt. I really wanted you dolls to see the detail, tremendous quality. Like I really adore this quality, and this is a true midi skirt. It goes pretty far, probably actually longer than a midi skirt. I'm gonna try it on now, but I wanted you dolls to kind of see how weighty it is. Y'all, this is so cute. It is so cute and it's so comfortable. So I'm just trying to get a little hook on, and then I'm gonna zip it. You could probably put it on without having to unzip it, but this is really cute. And the top, some people, I'm sure you probably like wear it unzipped a little, but I think it's already sexy. You don't have to do anything extra. Plus it has that whole eye and hook on the top as well. This is a two-piece. This is the Mocha Zebra two-piece, and also, again, it's a knit. This is in size large. It's about 55 bucks. And you can wear them all together as far as the two pieces, or you can have them worn separate. Like again, you can wear this with some jeans or a different kind of skirt. You can change the top out, but together I absolutely adore this. And you can wear this with some booties. You can wear this with some strapless heels. I don't know, possibilities are endless, but these two particular items so far that I tried on, just absolutely my favorite. Next is a one shoulder sleeved bodysuit, and I think it's super fashion forward. Again, another reason why I love Hot Mommy Styles. They have really trendy pieces, and this one in particular, you can actually wear without any undergarments, as you can see. So you put, like you step into it, and then once you put it on, you take it around your neck, and then you put your arm in. So there's no back pieces at all. As you can see, it's kind of like a thong. Really comfortable, it's stretchy, it feels amazing, y'all. Like this material is amazing. I think the color is so pretty. I think this, with this hair, I look really Birmingham, really London-ish, like really super high fashion. I'm kind of serving a little bit of Victoria Beckham here, okay? So if you guys are noticing, yes, I do have a tan, and that's because I was in Jamaica. So give me a thumbs up if you want to see the vlog for that. This skirt is Bandage. I'm a little nervous. I don't know if this is gonna fit because I have like size 52-inch hips, and look how small it is. This is a large, but we all know that Bandage stretches, so that's what makes me have hope. But this is really stretchy, very heavy. I'm gonna get close so you dolls can pick up the color. I don't know if you can pick that up, but it's like a tan mocha color. It does have like this gold zipper going down the back, and then on the very bottom, you can see it has a split. Looks like the split should probably go to the back of your knees. So good. Oh, I think I pulled it too far up. Okay, hold on. So I got it on, but it's very high waist. So I'm just trying to get it zipped now without it looking ridiculous. Woo. That took some doing, but it's on. This particular skirt, again, very stretchy. I got it up over my hips. It's really long. It goes literally down to my feet. It's gonna look really good with heels on. Okay, so next we have another skirt. I'm gonna pair it with this top, which again is super multi-wear approved. This is like a pumpkin skirt. It is a very soft, kind of velvety, soft material. I'm gonna get close so you can see that color and you can see that fabric. There's not really a lot of stretch to it on the top, but as you get to the bottom, ton of stretch. So there goes that, and this color is so pretty, and the stretch feels so good on my booty. So that's why there's stretch in this skirt, to compensate for any hips or any booty that you may have. Shout out to Hot Miami Styles. I don't even feel like I need to get this tailored because of the stretch on the bottom. Allows my hips to work with it, and this skirt feels really good. Now there's no pockets or anything. As you can see in the back, it makes your booty look really good. Again, it's faux suede. Okay, so now we're getting into the dresses. This particular dress is really pretty. I think it is maybe for the club and also for maybe like an event, because it is pretty long. Look where it goes on my knees. So that's a good length. And it also is rouged. We all know that rouging will help cover any insecurities or any kind of extra love you have on the front of your stomach, and then also kind of camouflages the side. And then in the back, it does also rouge, so it helps your booty pop, and we know that's a good thing. And so yeah, I want to get closer so you can kind of see the fabric. It's kind of like a satin feel, and it's a pretty mauve, kind of like purplish color, and it's really lightweight. It feels really good, and I really love it. I think it looks really pretty and dainty. Okay, and out of the whole haul, this one is probably the most simplest, if there is even an option. This one is $29.99, and this is a tie-dye maxi dress, and I am 5'6", so I'm pretty tall. I'm gonna show you dolls how it hits the bottom. That's a good sign when you are looking for maxi dresses. To the bottom of my feet, which is really good because I'm about 5'6", so I know that's important when you're searching for maxi dresses. This is a really comfortable fabric, and it's also heavy. Do not believe it's see-through, so again, really great with Hot Miami Styles and their quality. I absolutely love the print. The tie-dye has been really trendy for a while now, but I like the colors. It's a really good transition piece depending on if you live somewhere like I do. I live down south, so it's a good transition for the change of the weather, because sometimes it's pretty warm during the day, and then you can have something on like this, which kind of transitions into the colder night. It's worth mentioning that on most of these items I've tried on with straps, they have not been adjustable, so you may have to grab a tailor if it doesn't work well for you, or you may have to just be mindful of that when you're picking out your items. This is really extra, and again, not disappointed. This is a dress which does come with 2 pieces, okay? So this is a large, and it comes with like a panty. This is all mesh, but it's a really comfortable soft mesh, and then it has these pearls, and these pearls are so pretty. They are really on here, just one by one. So they're not faux, they're not just risen panties that they sent. And again, they're kind of cutting into my hips. That's why I would opt for a different pair, or maybe for a thong. It is a mini dress, but it's not too short. So this is where it falls with my fingers. If you were to wear this out to like a girl's night out or someone's party, or for your birthday. I mean, I really don't know, but the way it feels is amazing. I love the fact that it's long sleeve. It's around 65 bucks and it's a large, and I think the detail is definitely worth the price, okay? So you have to be mindful also how you put it on, because as you can see, I don't know if it's supposed to be straight down with these pearls or what, but honestly, it won't even matter, because this dress is sexy and it's sleek and it looks kind of sophisticated. It feels really good, but I'm not too sure about it, okay? So for me, I would definitely have to do some kind of tape trick to get my girls to sit upright, because there's no bra that I own or can even think of that can do the job. Okay, so this is a halter dress and it's completely backless. And it's very short, and it has splits on both sides. I'm gonna put the camera down so you all can get a look. This is how short it is. I would definitely have to tape some of this down somewhere so that it kind of stays still. Completely backless. With this dress, you can still wear panties, so if that's your thing, you can do that. In the back, there is a hidden zipper. So there is a zipper here and another one of those clasps to keep it up, okay? So the dress has a little bit of stretch to it. With the particular design of this dress, it's not like you need the stretch, but I think just for the comfort, that's what's important. And also, just to note, it feels good on. I know some of the sequin dresses I've tried on in the past are kind of scratchy, but this one is sort of blind. You can definitely see this for a New Year's Eve dress, for a birthday dress, for a blushing bride, like something like that, as far as like at her bridal shower, something extra. I mean, girl, you don't have to have a special reason or occasion to dress up to feel good, so do you boo. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. You already know I absolutely love Hot Miami Styles. I think that they have super trendy, super high quality items, and it will not break the bank. And I will leave a link down below in the box, as well as all the sizes that I have, as well as everything that I picked up. That way you dolls can shop the look. Now, if you have shopped Hot Miami Styles before, please leave a comment down below. Let the Diva dolls know what your experience was like. But again, I have to give them a thumbs up. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. My name is at Chrissy the Doll. And also, you already know what I'm going to say. Y'all, I am just super excited. I don't know if by the time you're watching this video, I'm at 100K or not, but y'all, I am teetering right there. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, be sure that you do that. Also, be sure to share this video with a friend. And of course, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I also have a fitness and a vlog channel, so be sure to subscribe to those channels as well. This has been a dream come true. I have never in a million years thought I would be able to do this right from the comfort of my own home, and just to be myself and just to dress, do my hair, do my makeup, work out, share with you dolls about my personal life. Like, this is something that really is amazing, and I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. That's really it, dolls. Again, I want to thank you so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.